2019 has been yet another busy year for the Council. On the whole, good progress has been made to deliver the changes that you elected us to do, and I am pleased to have the opportunity to update you on that progress. There is a lot of positive news surrounding the County Borough, but one of the most difficult things that we've had to do is to balance the Council's budget. 10 years of austerity has not helped in delivering these services, but working with the people that are employed by the Council and our partners and the community, we are still making a success of what we are delivering. I was particularly pleased that we are one of the lowest council tax increases in the whole of Wales. This pays tribute to the hard work and dedication of our staff. There are other uncertainties that we face going forward. One of them is Brexit. One of the things that we are constantly monitoring is the capital funding that comes from the European community, which has gone a long way in helping us to deliver the projects in and around the County Borough. There are many changes that have taken place, and you can read all about these in the corporate plan. Here are some of the highlights. We opened a new Welsh medium school, Ysgol Bwldyr. We also opened Cwm Brombil at Margam and Ysgol Carrig Hir in Briton Ferry. As well as providing 21st century learning environments, these superb new school buildings have also transformed the communities where they have been built. We completed the new transport hub in Talbot. As well as making transport links more effective, Station Road has had a real facelift. In Neath, we began work with our housing association partners to develop housing using new innovative energy technologies, with the aim of enabling house owners to generate, store and release their own energy. You can read more about the programme in the plan, including a new ultra-fast broadband centre for new business development, the redevelopment of Water Street, Neath, and the details of the Welsh Government's announcement that Neath will be a strategic hub, one of 7, with the aim of securing £25 million worth of investment to create and safeguard jobs for local people. Just as important are the day-to-day services that local people will rely on. We have been busy rolling out the Welsh Government's childcare offer, which provides 30 hours of paid care for children aged 3 and 4 for up to 48 weeks in 1 year. Our home care and reablement service was recognised with a well-deserved patient award from ABMU Health Board. And the Knoll Estate, Victoria Gardens and Margam Park were each awarded the prestigious Green Flag. We extend the range of events and activities on offer throughout the year in our theatres and country parks, and as our new tourism team begins its work, I will be providing regular updates on how our efforts to promote the area as a great place to work, live and visit pays off. I was pleased that we were able to fully reopen the B4286 in Carmarthen after a significant landslide there. Being able to respond to emergencies and to support our communities through such events is something I take very seriously. And we saw the Council's workforce again step up to the plate when we experienced Storm Callum. Looking ahead at the next 12 months, my focus is going to be to continue to deliver the programme we set out when we took office in 2017. We will build on the work we have started to promote our county borough as a great place to live, work and visit. We will continue to extend the range of activities we offer through our country parks and theatres, reducing the cost of these activities for our council taxpayers. And we will also work with Welsh Government to attract new investments so that we can develop the wider appeal of the area. We will begin to deliver our new digital strategy. You can expect to see more online services and also new innovations in the way that we offer our services. But you can also expect us to continue to meet the needs of those people who are not yet online. We will be working hard to deliver our enterprise zone and our strategic hub in Neath, and many other programmes and projects that sit in our economic development portfolio. We know that the quality of employment is often the key to lifting people out of hardship and reducing inequality, and we will do whatever it takes to secure quality jobs for our residents. There has been great work done throughout the Public Service Board in the last 12 months to ensure all children and young people get the best start in life, and there are a number of new programmes we are bringing forward to strengthen this area of our work further. Working with local people and partners, we made a real impact on antisocial behaviour in Neath last year, underlining the importance of our community safety partnership. We will be redoubling our efforts this year to tackle domestic abuse, substance misuse, and the new risks generated by cybercrime. But we also know that our population is getting older, so making sure services are available for people when health and well-being start to fade is a real important focus of the work that we will be doing throughout our health and social services partnership. In this short video, I've just given you a flavour of what we are continuing to take forward. Yes, times are tough, but we continue to strive to deliver our services to our community. I would welcome feedback from you. We are a listening council. We have proved that. We had over 1,000 feedback forms during the consultation for the budget, and I would hope that you would engage in feedback with the corporate plan. Thank you.